Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am going to be showing you guys something that I got from Colourpop. I mean, I ordered it from Ulta, but it is a Colourpop product, and here it is, you guys. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. I mean, you guys already know by the title. So it is the Harry Potter palette. So let me open it up. I'm super excited. I really love watching Harry Potter, and when I saw this palette, I just had to get it. So it did come in this little bubble mail envelope, so hopefully it didn't break. Ta-da! Anyways, here are both of the things that I got, and the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, it is a liquid lipstick, and I did get the Hermione Granger liquid lipstick, and it's super cute. I love the little box. And yeah, I'm super excited. And this is the liquid lipstick. It's super pretty. Let's open it up. It smells like cookies. Let me swatch it. I'm going to swatch it on this hand. Okay. There's actually not that much product on the wand. So that's what it looks like. It's like a pretty pinky peach color. Super pretty. Cool. I'm super excited for this. I can't wait to use it. I actually wanted to get the other ones and the lip balms, but I feel like $10 was too expensive to get a lip balm, so that's why I didn't get it. Okay, now here is the palette, and this is what it looks like. It says Back to Hogwarts, and it looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like one of those envelopes. In this video, I'm only going to be swatching the palette. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. And I will be doing a separate video for the eye look. But anyways, here is the beautiful palette. It looks super pretty. And actually, this is the box. The sleeve is actually like, I don't know, it just feels like really soft. Here is the palette. It looks the same as this. And on the back, it has the names of the shades. Super duper cute. So it does come with 28 shades, and this is what the palette looks like inside, and it's really, really beautiful. It's not broken, so look at this beauty, you guys. I'm super duper excited. I really love Harry Potter, so I'm super happy that I got this beautiful palette. I can't wait to try it out. It actually has the names of the shadows on here as well, so I don't have to like look at the back. So I'm going to start swatching from here to here. Okay, so this is the Elder Wand, Gillyweed, Enchanted Keys, and this one's Mandrake. Really pretty. Whomping Willow, Lumos, and then Hungarian Horntail, Great Hall. Then we have Patronus, Invisibility Cloak. Ooh, this one feels really buttery. And then we have Hufflepuff and Floating Candles. Look how pretty. And then we have Sorting Hat, Nimbus 2000, Forbidden Forest. Okay, this one feels really good. Butterbeer. So now Golden Snitch, and then Meridor's Map, Dementor, and Slytherin. So pigmented, it doesn't come off. Okay, now we have Ravenclaw, Gryffindor, Pumpkin Juice, and Liquid Luck. Pretty. So here are all of the colors. Super duper beautiful. It does have a lot of browns, but I mean, I don't mind it because I love the other colors as well. I can't wait to create some pretty looks with this palette. And I also feel like it came out in the perfect time because it has a lot of beautiful fall colors. So yeah, hopefully it looks good on the eyes. We will see. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got the Harry Potter palette or if you guys got anything else from the collection, because I would like to know. So anyways, I will be doing an eye look, or maybe 2 or 3, in another video. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure to subscribe. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.